I've got to we'll make a move. Right.
Can you hear me, Tim?
Yeah, I got you, Faust.
Sound like Chris had a nice trip down to down.
Yep.
Make sure I don't prop or throw the machine.
Yep. There's scraps of the windsock all over the place.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to just, if you could do the brake for me again, please.
Yeah, sure.
Automatic braking. Thank you, that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
release.
Yep, if you release it, then we'll...
Danny's just gone up the top.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you to go, Danny.
Okay, mate.
But this is an unexpected pleasure.
Yeah, that's good. And there goes Danny. I think that down the hill was by choice.
Yeah. He likes to
Yeah.
do that.
Sun might be a bit glary for a while, till it drops down a bit. Okay, you happy?
I'm good. You've done that before, haven't you?
Yeah. I'd rather have a certain amount of height rather than go closer to the trees.
This looks pretty reasonable.
Yeah, no, that's good. There's a hint of an inversion there, isn't there?
Yeah. But I can see a ghost of Canary Wharf down there, I think.
I'm still not that happy, in as much as it still does go quite crackly at times.
Yeah.
I have to admit, it's not the 100% crystal clear that I was expecting.
Right.
Because there's quite a bit, must be quite a bit of damp around.
Yeah.
Because it's quite misty, isn't it?
Yeah. It ain't bad though. This time of year is great, you know, when the trees are going to start to turn any day or any week now. In fact, they've already started in some places, I think. Started to colour.
Just trying to make sure I'm capturing 90 and not 80. If you don't catch it on the slab, you can find that you're flying 30 at 80. When I did that flight to pick up the Cygnet, and the trimmer didn't work very well.
Right.
Well, in fact, it failed.
Yeah.
We actually had to put it back on, or John put it back on the wrong way up.
Right.
So instead of it working across the top, it does exactly the same thing, but it does it underneath. So you sometimes just need to be aware of the fact that it's working slightly different. I mean, if you twist it anti-clockwise, it will get nose up,
Yeah.
and if you twist it
Yeah.
clockwise, you get nose down. It works exactly the same way, it's
Yeah.
just upside down to where it was.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go to the end of the creek,
Yeah.
fly up the creek to Dad's, see if he's still in the garden, because he'll expect to fly by. I've got to try and work some system to get him on board, because he's desperate to have a fly again.
Yeah.
And as I said to him this morning, I think I can get him in okay, but I think part of the problem
Get him on
will
the-
actually be getting him out once he's in.
Right, that's her,
Tide is out quite a way.
yeah. Has your dad got strength in his arms?
Yeah, I mean, to an extent. Yeah. But as we've said, we've got to be careful what we pull on.
Yeah,
because
sure.
of course it can work its way through the perspex.
Yeah, that's right. I was just thinking though, you know, given that you park in the same spot mostly, right?
Yeah.
What you could do maybe is to have a rope coming down from the...
Yeah, a little bit like the winch system they have at Santa Mare.
Yeah, so that your dad can pull himself up without having to pull on the cockpit.
Yeah.
You know, and you can help him, possibly.
Got the RV behind us there.
Okay.
I'm just going to run over the top of my dad's and then I'm going to go climb up and brake left, okay?
You got Danny was there a second or two ago.
Yeah, but he'll be past us, won't he?
No, he was holding station. Got there.
Okay. Oh, there he is, yeah.
Yeah. Still there?
He's above and below. And above and on a quarter. He's about level. Very close though, the bugger.
Coming left again.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
That got removed. Excellent. How funny.
I had the powers on a little bit in order to keep the speed up for Danny.
Sure.
But I mean, really, we're looking for 24.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. And I don't have any pressure on the stick, either backwards or forwards.
No.
So that great big, all that big expanse of mud,
Yeah.
that's where I learned to sail.
Was it? All right.
I was charging around that one day, and I tried to go around, and it wouldn't go around. And my mate then said, well, I'll help it around. You put the oar in, went like that trying to help us out, and a big lump of mud came up. So we were stuck on the mud. And we just managed to push it across the mud bank into, you know where the channel goes into Mistley?
Yeah.
Into there.
It's quite warm out there. It's 26 degrees.
Yeah. Not bad for September, is it? Tiny bit probably.
I didn't have the camera turned on for long because I just put that sideways back camera on again in order to film Holbrook, isn't it?
The hospital school?
Yeah.
No, that's the hospital school. That's the Royal Hospital School.
Right.
Holbrook is kind of in that
further over. Right. Sizewell is standing out well today.
Yeah, that's what I mean about the visit. It's not that bad at all. You want me to skirt around a bit?
Yeah.
It'll go straight over the top of Ipswich at 1200.
No, not really.
Once you get the feel of her, she's very steady, isn't she?
Yeah, she's lovely. Are you going to come left or right?
I come left, but quite a bit because I don't want to fly straight into the sun.
Yeah, no, it's just... I know Waddingham will be closed, but technically speaking...
That's fine.